Access modifiers specify if we can access properties or methods outside the class. In TypeScript, we have 3 access modifiers: public, private, and protected. Public variables and methods can be accessed outside their class. To set a method or property to public, we use the public keyword in front of its declaration. So we can do public in front of the name property, then go outside the class and change it to something else. But by default, the members of a class are all public, so we don't need to explicitly set it. If we remove the public keyword, we can still change the property. On the other hand, private members can't be accessed outside the class. If we set the name to private, we'll get a compilation error where we try to modify the name. The name property is private and only accessible within the employee class. So let's delete this. We can still access the name inside the class, so we can do something like this.name is walking. And let's invoke it to see it in the console. As a convention, we add an underscore in front of private members. The property is all over the place, so we'll click on one of them and press F2. This allows us to rename all the instances of it in the current file, with underscore name. Okay, our third modifier is protected. It's like private, so members can be accessed inside the class, but also any class that inherits from it. We'll cover the protected modifier when we discuss inheritance. For now, let's move on to parameter properties.